Okay, work day here.
£100 bag of feed. When I was in my 20s, I could throw them on my shoulder and walk to the barn. Now that I'm almost into my 60s, I'm barely able to pick up a 50-pound bag. So what I have to do is I have to open the bags outside, scoop half of it out into the barrel, move the barrel in the barn, and take the other half and dump it in. And that's how feed day goes. Luckily, it's only like 3 times a year.
We had to get feed for everybody today, seems like. And the guinea pigs all left, except for the little guy.
We got 1 guinea pig left. We got 1 rabbit. We got an incubator full of quail eggs ready to hatch.
3 quails in the house, or 3 button quail rather.
3 button quail in the house. Whoops.
And all the outside critters, which just had a bunch of corn, so now they're all chilling over there. Clay's planted corn today too, didn't you?
Sweet corn, yellow corn, and white corn. And those are going to go in the bucket system or the bag system. We haven't decided yet. The bag system's totally different. You use the Walmart recyclable bags, and you set them down into swimming pools, the little kiddie pools, and you grow your corn that way. So you keep water to them, and all you have to do is just fertilize. And we've got a kiddie pool left over from the geese, so we're going to try our luck.
See how we do with that.
This is some nice mash. Chickens love this stuff. What it is ground corn and oats. It's high in protein, and it gives them they have to have at least 16% protein to lay eggs. That's why a lot of people that have chickens, if their chickens aren't running loose in the yard, you could feed chickens just whole corn if you wanted. But they have to get other sources of protein like bugs and worms and things like that. Worms are high in protein, not that I want to eat them, but they're a good source of protein for chickens. But if you've got your chickens cooped up, you have to give them a high protein feed. Just a little tidbit if you want to have eggs and you have backyard chickens. Backyard chickens can survive in a little tiny cage with a little bit of place to sleep in, as long as they're getting all the food and water they need. And they'll continue to lay eggs for you. They make great pets. People love to watch them digging in the yard and digging in their flower beds and things. You gotta watch them digging in your garden though, because they will eat your garden vegetables. And your garden plants if you let them. Alright, that's about half. Dusty stuff this feed is. Right there. The other half comes into the barn.
And while Clay's doing that, I'm going to just mention this, that we're going to do our shout out right now to all of our good followers. Anyone that comments on this video, please subscribe to them. We have some of the best followers in the world. And if you're trying to build your YouTube channel, it's a great way to get new followers. And so we're giving a shout out to all of our followers because we have so many. We just couldn't list them all, and they're all great. Now, what's this now?
This is cracked corn. I just came in with this a little bit ago. And I'm going to give this and a scoop of the mash to the chicks. Let's see if they'll like that.
We already collected eggs today too. Got some in the incubator.
Look at that paper and throw that in the garbage can. So it gets blown around the yard. This is another thing you want to watch. Any of the strings and papers you pull off in the feed bags, make sure you throw them out because they can get entangled around the chicken's feet and cut off the circulation just like a rubber band on a little kid's finger. It'll turn purple and turn black and it'll drop off, and you don't want that. Your chickens are a lot healthier if they got all the digits.
Other digits?
Yeah. Alright, let's give them some crack and mash and see how we're weaning them off the chick feed. This Tuesday they'll be 5 weeks old. They're plenty big enough for this stuff. Hang on. Alright. Go to town, babies. Oh, they like that mash. This is 16% feed, so it's not going to hurt them. Just corn and oats. They'll be eating it when they're older anyhow. Got another quail egg here.
We do.
Yeah. They've been laying like crazy lately. Thank you, ladies.
We're getting ready to go to another bird auction, animal auction.
Next Saturday. Gonna try to get some different colored silkies, I guess. Mom's really into these silkies.
They look beautiful, don't they? Oh, poor babies.
I put these out here, and then I gotta get a.
What are we doing next?
I gotta water these things. I got a little bit, and I wanna refill the water. I put the quail egg on top of the can out there so it doesn't roll off while we're doing this.
Okay.
I'll rinse this all off and give them some fresh
Were
water.
you trying to hand it to me? I didn't see it.
Oh, the quail egg? No.
Oh, okay.
You were busy. You want to look around the floor because sometimes they roll out of the cage on the floor. Have to change the water on the laying hens too. They got that pretty low when I want to rinse the thing out. I got to get that automatic water cups hooked up out there too that I bought this winter for them. Just couldn't do it because of the winter weather. Now that everything's thawing out, I can use them. The quail couldn't use them because they couldn't push that little yellow lever down. The chickens would be able to, but these guys won't. Yeah, you guys are loving that. I think I'm going to get you a corn and oats the next time instead of laying mash. You like that corn and oats. What was that all about? Huh?
Gargling.
Sound like you were gurgling. Where's my little... That's one of the boys. Where's my little queequay? Where you at, queequay?
Probably that guy's sitting down.
Oh, he's over with the harem.
With the harem?
Yeah, he's probably in the corner. That's usually him in the corner. Yeah, let me see if it's him in the corner. Come on. Yeah, that's that queequay.
There he is.
Yeah, there he is.
Tina said she saw him first the other day before we did.
Who saw him?
Tina said she saw him first before we did. And she's got quail too.
That's good.
So that's pretty cool.
Good that we can share.
Absolutely.
I got to get those latches on this. I want to change this wire on the front to the smaller square, so when we put the Texas A&M out here, they're not squeezing through these openings like these guys did when they were little.
Oh. See, these guys look almost wild. They look like a baby hawk.
They're the same color as the wild quail.
Oh, that guy's in the sandbox.
You're not going to gain sand. I got it in the garage. I'll have to bring some out.
Oh,
They all want that sand, though.
oh boy.
So we'll give you some Disneyland tomorrow. How's that, guys? I got to go change your girls' water now.
You getting tired? You sound like you're breathing heavy out of me,
It's been a
darling.
long day. I got all that gardening done in the greenhouse. Everything transplanted. Did we video that?
No, we need to. I'll make that another video
Here's
though.
your quail egg, dear.
Where's my quail egg?
Yeah, let me check for more chicken eggs too. 'cause-
Okay.
Oh
Yep.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Quail egg.
Chicken egg. Chicken egg. 3 chicken eggs. How many did you get earlier?
1.
A guinea hen egg in the floor over there. Gonna scoot by this. I'm gonna have to move this other nest box over there, I think.
So this is
So I can get through here.
Quatornic
Oh.
quail egg.
And I'll put that blue barrel in here with some straw.
Show them what a quail egg looks like.
You've got a quail egg in your hand. This is
No, not a quail. I'm sorry, guinea hen. I'm sorry.
guinea hen egg looks just like a chicken egg, only it's more pointed. It's about the same size, same color, only it's got more of a point on it. And it's
Right.
just a little bit smaller.
Like a
And
little
sometimes
triangle.
sometimes you get them in the light and they got little speckles on them too. But this thing is in the way for me to get in behind here. But if I put the nest box back there, then the guinea hens can lay in that. Of course, the trouble is the chickens want to lay in it too.
Hey, little Brad. He was eating out of Clay's hands earlier.
Alright. So much for the egg collection.
Looks like that water needs to get cleaned out.
Yeah, I'm going to wash that out and that'll be the end of it. Here, let me set these on the...
Well, why don't I bring the eggs in? I'll stop this video and then we'll show the greenhouse.
Okay.
Okay, Dolly?
Alright, that'll give
So-
you time to water them and put the stuff and close the garage up.
So please comment. Shout out to our followers. Comment or rather, a shout out to our followers. Everyone that comments, please subscribe to their channel. And you can say whatever you want. And that's our shout out to our followers is to subscribe to everyone that comments on this video. So we will see you in our next video. God bless.